Clubhouse for the automotive sales industry. Woo! Folks, let me tell you right now, Clubhouse by far is the fastest growing, most powerful social media sensation. It is on fire. Here's why. It's a drop-in audio app. But what's happening with this is it's connecting people all over the world, okay? And they have what's called rooms. And in these rooms, they could be different subjects. Bottom line, it's a hot social media platform. So here's how Clubhouse can be used for your dealership, right? So first, on the automotive sales professional level, my God, this is a free source of training. Can you imagine connecting with New York Times best-selling authors, celebrities, brilliant people, Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, they're hosting Clubhouse rooms, and if you're in the room, it's like being at a mega conference, and you could raise your hand, and for free, you could have conversations and ask questions to some of the most incredible human beings on planet Earth. But also, there's a tremendous amount of automotive professionals. There's salespeople, there's managers, there's dealer principals, there's even car dealerships that have their own Clubhouse club. Clubhouse is phenomenal for education, inspiration, blueprinting, camaraderie. And so that's on a personal level, on a training level, etc. But now on a marketing level, how do you use Clubhouse to sell cars? And we're gonna talk about that in our next module.
Do you like the content? You need to sign up for Bradley On Demand, the world's best virtual training platform in the entire automotive industry. With some of the top speakers, salespeople, and trainers, and over 5,000 training modules. You will sell more cars, more often, and more profitably. So sign up now at www.bradleyondemand.com.